Terracon is excited to participate in the 2024 National Construction Safety Week. I'm Terracon Director of Safety, Jim Wright. The Construction Safety Week theme for 2024 of Value Every Voice not only complements our IIF culture, but it complements our culture of Best at People. We value everyone's voice as part of our program of inclusion and opportunities we have at Terracon. There's also 3 words that come after Value Every Voice in the Construction Safety Week theme: encourage, listen, and empower. We want you to encourage those who may not be willing to speak up to do that, to speak up for their safety and the safety of others. And we want you to listen when they do speak up. We want to make sure that every voice is heard. And empower those to make a change. When they speak up and something isn't safe or something needs to be changed, encourage, listen, and empower them to take the steps needed to make the job site safe. Make Construction Safety Week 2024 Value Every Voice a successful and safe week and throughout the rest of 2024.